As we move closer to the livestock show, it's important to know what you can do to stay safe and keep others safe. When thinking of cleaning and disinfecting for the coronavirus, or most any virus for that matter, keep in mind your goal is to destroy the virus. You need to break down the lipid or fatty layer holding the virus together. I want to discuss quickly a few different options you might find helpful. Wash your hands. One of the best defenses in staying healthy is washing your hands thoroughly and often. Washing with soap for 20 seconds with hot water or 30 seconds in cool water is very effective in breaking down the fatty layer of the virus. When cleaning with soap, whether it be on your hands or on your countertops, make sure you scrub vigorously. Just in case you missed it the first time, remember to wash your hands thoroughly and often, especially after contact with high traffic surfaces such as door handles, grocery carts, gas pumps, or really any place you can envision a lot of other people touching before you. Alcohol. Like soap, alcohol is a very effective chemical in breaking down the fatty layer of the virus. Both ethanol and isopropyl alcohol work as a disinfectant. You may pour directly onto or use from a spray bottle. The main thing to remember when purchasing alcohol to be used as a disinfectant is to make sure you find a product with an alcohol content between 60 and 80%. 70% alcohol is recommended. Do not assume if 70% alcohol is good at destroying viruses, then 90% must be better. This is not true. Anything over 80% will evaporate too quickly and may not have enough time to destroy the lipid layer sufficiently. Similarly, anything below 60% alcohol will not destroy the virus's lipid layer because it contains too much water. Just in case any of you were wondering, this also means you should not use alcohol that is meant for consumption as a disinfectant. A standard bottle of vodka is 80 proof, meaning it is only 40% alcohol and will not effectively destroy the virus. Let alcohol air dry. When using a 60 to 80% alcohol, this will provide enough time to break down the lipid layer of the virus. Alcohol with at least 70% alcohol, undiluted, will kill a coronavirus on the surface within about 30 seconds. Using bleach. A simple mix of bleach and cold water also works for disinfecting the coronavirus. Something I did not know before all of this was that you should not use bleach with hot water because hot water breaks down the sodium hypochlorite, which is the active ingredient in bleach, rendering it ineffective. You may mix 5 tablespoons or 1/3 cup per gallon of cold water or room temperature water. A bleach mixture should kill the coronavirus when exposed for about 5 minutes. When washing a normal size load of laundry, you may mix 4 teaspoons per quart of cold water. A few important things to remember when using a bleach mixture. Bleach is a harsh chemical, and you should wear gloves when using. Do not mix bleach with ammonia. A bleach solution is good for roughly 24 hours. Anything after that is not an effective solution. Remember, bleach is bleach, and it can remove color from certain materials, so use with caution. Hydrogen peroxide. A 3% hydrogen peroxide solution will kill most viruses and is a good option to use on surfaces like metal, glass, and plastic. Keep in mind that hydrogen peroxide is a chemical and may damage some surfaces, but in a pinch, it is an effective disinfectant. Also, never mix hydrogen peroxide with bleach or ammonia. Take this time to point out, just as a general rule, never mix chemicals of any kind. Essential oils are very popular as a non-chemical alternative. Many essential oils, like tea tree oil, are known for having antimicrobial and non-bleaching properties. However, it's important to note that these properties are significantly weaker than synthetic compounds such as alcohol and bleach. Therefore, our recommendation in disinfecting for viruses such as coronavirus is to use alcohol or bleach. As you prepare for the livestock show, start planning now as to what you will use to clean and disinfect your supplies. Availability may play more of a role than you expect, and you may need to look for options number 2 and possibly number 3. Remember to plan ahead, wear a mask, social distance, and of course, wash your hands.